Get a load of this thing right here. I'm out exploring today, not really shooting a video. It's been raining all day, just got finished raining, but look at over here on the side. There's something over here stuck. Asking for our help. I bet it's not even intact. I bet it's busted. That thing looks scary, then you know what? What the heck is this, a baby wrestler? You better believe we're gonna add this thing to the pocket, whatever it is. They're hanging on for dear life. They're stuck in this little log jam right here. Hold on. Let's get somebody. Now what you know about that? Another superhero. I know the bottom's busted. Good find for today. Another hero, look, dancing. He's even got a gold emblem on his chest. Talk about Da Vinci style. We found gold for today. Still exploring. I thought I saw something. Don't crop your draws, they're still making them. Man, they made me rubber net for this thing. Tip's busted off. That would have been a nice one. That thing is ancient. Boy. Christmas tree. Nice raisins on that one, guys. I knew I was going to find a masterpiece sooner or later. And you thought plastic lasted forever. Check out this, what is that, a Range Rover? How come the wheels are always missing, guys? Ladies and gentlemen. I'd say we'll only find like 1 out of every 10 with the wheels on it. Right out. Da Vinci style. Man. Talk about Da Vinci style, check this out. I was taking off the boots so I can get the rocks and the gravel out of it. Made it hard to walk because I got to get on out of here. Exploring today, having a great time, about 70 degrees right now. Check it out. Now it ain't Da Vinci style until you do something like this. Dang. You talk about adventures for real. They lasted us about 2.5 years though. These things are about to fall out for real. Don't tell me they're trying to get me to go to that Urban Creek tomorrow, where we always find this kind of happening right here. Even on the intact shoes that we find, they always look like this, right? Gonna be one heck of a soul if it fell off and ended up in the woods or something. Come by 10,000 years from now and find that thing. Looks like I'm due for a new set of something. Da Vinci style. How old school could this thing be right here? The heck is going on out here? Out here cutting through the wilderness. Ain't nothing like exploring. You don't ever know what you're going to come across. For real. Huh. You're going to say, look around. Could be an old home site. Could be more of something. No, it's probably from back in old hunting days. Probably someone like me. Cutting through the wilderness. Like the past few years or something like that. You know, drinking it up with Bacchus. And all the other ones out here. But I don't litter like this. I know, it's just a bottle. But it's fully intact. Never seen a bottle like this before. Looks like it might be blown. Hard to tell if it's got a plied top to it. Yeah. Looks like it could be old school for real. Maybe someone found it and just dropped it up here. Don't know. Of course I'm going to leave it. But I think what I need to do is hide it. Let me go ahead and hide it somewhere. You know, find a spot for it. And like one of these old root systems, the pine trees, you know, just drop down about 1.5 feet, 2 feet. Another treasure found. And another treasure hidden. That's exactly what I'm looking for right here. A little spot. Where a tree came down a long time ago. You're going to say you might find something else in there, man. Somebody like us doing the same thing. I know it's a bottle. It's not going to go in too far. It's a big thing, too. Oh, look at that. See? That's what it's all about. I'm not going to say never to be found again. Eventually it will be found again. A long time from now. That's my brand. But the question is it my size? Man, you guys crazy. Let's hope they've been out here long enough for, you know, things to be not tribulated, if you know what I mean. Gotten rid of. The heck do I do to myself? What do I get myself into? Look, the sun is almost set. It's almost dark out here. What am I doing out here in Teddy Bear Land? Trying to have a good time. Last night, before they set the clocks forward, get that extra hour. You know, this time tomorrow it's going to be 7:22 and not 6:22. Thank the Lord for that time coming back, guys. And I was just asking them out here, what are you trying to lead me to out here? They were probably talking up a storm out here. No pun intended, but they were probably talking, you know what we're trying to lead you to. Because you always find one. Gotta love that nature. Walk me into it every single time.